Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Leo and let's do some more Leetcode problems today. Today's problem is called Palindrome Permutation. We were given a string S and returned true if a permutation of the string could form a palindrome and false otherwise. So what does it mean? Permutation means we rearrange the characters in the string, and if we can form a palindrome, which is a reflective of itself, so we can return true, and otherwise we can return false. So let's take a look at an example here. We have a string called code, but however we try it, we cannot form a palindrome, so we return false. And here's another one. We have AAB. Since we can arrange it like ABA, which is a palindrome, we can return true. And here we have car era C, and itself is a palindrome, so we can return true. Okay, so how can we know whether the permutation can form a palindrome or not? So it solely depends on the frequency of each character. Okay, solely on the frequency of the characters. So what does it mean? So if we have something like AB, where the frequency of A is 1, frequency of B is 1, can we form a palindrome with this? No, because we don't have any other to balance that. Okay, if let's say if we have another A here, okay, so this, if modulated by 2, we got a 0, so it can be balanced to form a palindrome. So with this 1 here, we're okay, all right? But it's even better if we have another B. Okay, so at this time, we have a frequency of 2, and if it's modded by 2, we got a 0, so we got a perfect palindrome, all right? But the most frequency after modulated by 2, like some frequency after modulated by 2, should not exceed 1. Okay, that's how to tackle this problem. That's all it has. Okay, so we can have as many characters as we want, but after modulating by 2 of its frequency, it should give us at most 1. Okay, if not, we cannot do this. That's how we solve this problem. Okay, so this becomes pretty simple. So first we will use a map to record all of the frequencies for each character. Okay, hash map, and we're going to loop through the string and change it to a character array. So map will put c map.get or default. Okay, so once we have the frequencies here, we can start counting. Okay, so for the key set, character map.keyset, for all the keys, if their frequency modulated by 2 is 0 or whatever it is, we will add it to count. So the only thing we want to know is the final count is less than or equal to 1. Okay, yeah, perfect. That makes a lot of sense. So let's analyze the complexity here. So this approach looks to work. Okay, so for time complexity, it will be O(n), because we're looping through the string once and twice here. So, but this would be a little bit shorter than O(n). Okay, and for space complexity, it's at worst case ON because of the hash map. Okay, let's submit it. Yep, great. Passes all the test cases. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in our next video.